Good morning, everyone. So study with me today. We're going to take a look at comparative form. Comparative form. Actually, this is the revision that you can find it from our textbook, the English Year 4, Get Smart Plus 4. So you can take out your Get Smart Plus 4 and your exercise book and your stationery, your pencil, your rubber, your ruler, yeah? Get ready. Alright, so let us take a look at comparative form. Today the revision is focusing on comparative form. Yeah, I hope you're ready. So if you're ready, now let's go. Alright, so what is the comparative form? What is the comparative form? Comparative form is used to compare. Do you know what is the meaning of compare? 做比较, kita buat perbandingan. Ada dua benda, 有两样的东西. Okay, dua benda tu kita buat, kita banding lah. Mana satu yang lebih? 哪一个是比较？我们做一个比较哪一个东西呢？比如说比较美、比较小、比较大做比较。有两样东西我们做比较。Alright, so we're going to use the comparative form to compare. Yes, to compare. The first one, we're going to compare two persons. For example, we have two friends. So maybe the one is more handsome. Another one is maybe taller. Like that. We're going to compare them. 做比较，两个人呢 kita buat perbandingan. Apa yang lebih, apa yang kurang. Baik. Now, move on to number 2. We can also use comparative form to compare animals. Animals mean 动物 haiwan. Okay? Like fierce, maybe big, huge, those adjectives for the animals, we can use the comparative form. Alright, next one, things. Anything. Apa-apa saja benda ataupun barang. 不管是什么东西只要它是东西，我们要做比较。比如说比较美、比较大、比较长、比较小lebih kecil, lebih besar, lebih cantik. That one we use the comparative form. Alright, let us refresh again. Comparative form is the way how we can use it to compare. The first one, two people, or maybe animals or things. Alright, now move on to next one. So the adjective in the comparative form is usually followed by the word then. 对了，这边如果我们讲comparative form kalau kita bercakap tentang comparative form is actually adjective. Sebenarnya dia adalah 形容词adjective untuk menggambarkan sesuatu，我们来形容某些东西。所以 usually 它这边讲 usually 通常呢 selalunya kebiasaannya diikuti followed by 跟着什么呢 the word then. 对我们可以讲90%, 90% of the sentences that using the comparative form, the adjective next word will be the word then. 一定有这个 then 这个字90%不是说全部有一些例外的它就不需要 then. There are a few special cases that maybe not using the word then. Ada setengah case dia tidak menggunakan dan, tapi 90% yes, they are using the word then. Alright, now take a look at the first example over here. Small, 小, kecil. If we say lebih kecil, then we say 比较小, then we put er, smaller. So it will be smaller than, lebih kecil, 比较小. Alright, now next one. Okay, we're going to take a look at the formation. Formation 是说几时要用 er, 几时不要用 er. Bila kita nak guna er dan bila pula kita tak perlukan er. Okay, when are we going to use the er? Now let's take a look. All one syllable adjective. Okay, one syllable. 简单来讲，我们如果讲 one syllable 的时候，你嘴巴只张开一次。Mulut kamu tuh buka sekali saja. Contoh words dia, tall. Sekali saja buka mulut kan. Tall, big. Itu dia perkataan yang one syllable. 你如果发现你嘴巴只张一次的，比如说 tall, big, long， 你看到吗？你嘴巴只动一次的通常我们这个叫做 one syllable adjective。And most， 它这边讲 most， here it mentioned about most means not all the two syllable but most， 大部分 kebanyakan most kebanyakan 大部分 most two syllable adjective tag er two syllable most 它讲大部分semua satu syllable dan kebanyakan dua syllable 全部的一 syllable 跟大多数的两个 syllable adjective 形容词tag er get an example tall it will be taller tall it will be taller. Alright, next one we move. So for next case, in the case that we don't need er 有些 case 我们没有用 er, so we put more 然后写原本的字adjective yang asal, kata adjective yang asal 没有加 er tak perlu tambah er, we don't need to add on er, just more and then put the adjective and then put the word than. Okay, when are we going to use the word more? So we form comparative of adjective with 3 or more syllables. 3个或者是更多。所谓的3个，apa yang masukkan dengan 3 ataupun lebih syllable? Contoh perkataan dia, expensive. 比如说 expensive. For example, expensive, beautiful, comfortable. Those words are actually 3 or more syllables. Or, like the one you say, a few of the 2 syllable also use more and more plus the adjective. Adjective here means we just maintain the original word and no need to add on er. Alright? Okay, so take a look at the example. Expensive, it will be more expensive. Another one, beautiful, it will be more beautiful. Comfortable, it will be more comfortable. Yes, but you see the word modern. Although modern is 2 syllable, but modern like we discussed just now, most 2 syllable, only most. So a few of them, for example, like modern, we don't use moderner, but we use more modern. More modern. Alright, is it okay? Okay, now we move to next one. So we have 3 things over here about the spelling. We just quickly take a look. Okay, so the first one we have adjective which end in e tag r. For example, like large, it will be larger. The second one syllable adjective which end in 1 vowel and 1 consonant, double the consonant and tag er. Like for example, big, it will be double G over here, bigger. Alright, now the third one, adjective ending in consonant plus y, change the y to I and tag er. For example, happy, y, drop the y, then you put ier, happier. Alright, so actually this one, you don't need to just memorize it. What the most important things is, you just need to do more revision, more and more revision. Okay, you will, along the way of your revision, along the way of your study, you will meet a lot of comparative form or a lot of adjective. Alright? Now, let us take a look at a few things here. This is a very special case. Those are very special case. So some adjectives are irregular and don't form the comparative form in the same way that regular adjectives do. Some of the adjectives are, some of them they are not using er and also they are not using the word more. Like just now we discussed, some of the adjectives they are using er and some of the adjectives they are using more and then plus the original adjective. But those are very special one. For example, if you say good, bagus, 好，那比较好呢？ lebih bagus pula in the comparative form is better. Better than. Lebih bagus daripada, 比较好. Double T, better. So good, the adjective, it will turn out to be better. Better than. Now, how about the bad one? The bad. Yeah, now we have the very popular song nowadays, the worst. But actually that one is worse, ST. This one is worse, lebih teruk sahaja. 比较坏而已，比较糟糕而已，比较差而已。Lebih teruk sajalah, lebih jahat saja. Not yang paling jahat. Not just the lebih jahat. 比较坏而已. So the spelling, it will be W-O-R-S-E. Now, next one, far. It will come in two. You can write farther or you can write further. It's the same, farther than or further than. Lebih jauh, 比较远. Next one, for many and much, we still remember when are we going to use many and much? Many is for the things that you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, like students, pupils, books, things you can count. Benda yang boleh kira, 东西能够算的. But for much, it's for things that we cannot count. For example, like oil. What else? The hair, or maybe a few things that we cannot count. So for many and much, we just use one. That is the word more. Yeah, more. Lebih banyak. If you have more books than your friends, then you say more than. Okay. If you have a lot of oils at your house and you have more than your friends, then you also use more. Alright? So let us read together. Can you read with me? Read aloud with your loud voice. Make your voice louder. Read together with me. 大声的跟老师一起读啊，读好的要读正确啊，baca dengan tepat dan suara yang lantang. Now let's go. Good, better, good, better, bad, worse, bad, worse, far, farther, further, far, farther, further, many, much, more. Right, now we move to a few exercises. Actually, those exercises you can find in your Get Smart Plus 4 books. I just take it out and have this small discussion with you all. Are you ready? So which category do these adjectives belong to? We just need to categorize it. So one row is for the ER and another one is for more and adjective. In our books, Get Smart Plus 4, it had given the example. This one is example given in the book. Yeah, more difficult. Yes, we done this one. Every time we done it, so you just give a tick. So then we don't get confused. Alright? So next one, how about the beautiful? Which one? Beautiful. Do we have beautifuler or more beautiful? How many syllables here? Yes, 3 or more syllables, so it come here. More beautiful. Yeah. More beautiful. More beautiful. How about comfortable? Comfortable. Yes, very good. It will be more comfortable. More comfortable. Now, heavy. This one will be 2 syllables. Do you think it will be heavier or it will be more heavy? Excellent. It will be heavier. You need to drop the Y, add on IER. It will be heavier. Lebih berat, 比较重, heavier. Now, how about this one? This one we got it in the example just now. The word modern. Yes, very good. Seems like you remember it. It will be more modern. This is an exception for the 2 syllables. Yeah. More modern. Lebih modern. 比较新潮的 Next one, we move on to light. Light here, not the 灯，不是灯，不是lampu, bukan lampu. Light here means 轻, ringan. 轻, ringan. So it goes to, yep, er. It will be lighter. 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 Lebih ringan. 比较轻 huh? Now next one, move on to this one. Cheap. Murah. Murah. 便宜的 murah. Cheap one. So it will be very good. Cheaper. Just add on er. Those are quite the easy one. Yeah, cheaper. Now we move on to next one. Intelligent. 比较 pandai. 聪明的 有智慧的 It will be, yep, more intelligent. More intelligent. Now next one. Pretty. 예쁘다. 很美的 cantik. Pretty. Then pretty. It will be very good. You drop the y here. And then you add on IER at the back. It will be prettier than. Prettier than. Lebih cantik daripada. 比较美 Actually, more or less like the word beautiful. Sama. Lebih cantik. Alright, next one. Wow, this is sure expensive one with the bling bling one. The ring. Ini cincin ring. 戒指 Expensive 是很贵 mahal expensive. So, yep, it will be more expensive. More expensive. Lebih mahal. 比较贵 Now let us read again. Can you read aloud with me, class? Make your voice louder, yeah? Say it properly. Make your voice louder. Heavier. Heavier. Lighter. Lighter. Cheaper. Cheaper. Prettier. Prettier. Now for the adjective that you're using, they are using the word more. We have more difficult. More difficult. More beautiful. More beautiful. More comfortable. More comfortable. More modern. More modern. More intelligent. More intelligent. More expensive. More expensive. Now we move on to the next one. Alright. Those are the 4 exercises that also you can find it in your Get Smart Plus 4, yeah? Okay, look at these pictures and the prompts and make sentences using the comparative form. Alright, the first one already given to you. We have 2 things over here. Crocodile and the mouse over here. So this is crocodile. 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 This is the mouse. Yes, this is the mouse. And the adjective given here is big. So which one is bigger? Lebih besar. Because they are using big here. So we use bigger. So remember just now, the bigger G is double. Bigger. So we use the. So this crocodile. So the crocodile is bigger than. Yes, you add on than. The mouse 就是这只鳄鱼比这只老鼠还要大buaya ini lebih besar daripada tikus ini. Alright, shall we move to the second question? This one just now. The crocodile is bigger than the mouse. Alright, it gives you the sample. Now we just follow the sample. We're going to answer the second question. The second question is, we have winter. Here is winter. And here is summertime. Yes, summer. But the word adjective given is cold. Sejuk. So we say the winter is colder than the summer. Or you drop the word the. It will be winter is colder than summer. So what is the difference between those 2 sentences? Okay, I make it easy. The winter is colder than the summer means the winter this year is extremely cold. When we compare to last year, it will be very cold. If we compare to summer, this one is specific one. 这个是比较 specific， 意思说今年的冬天就比那个夏天就特别的冷musim sejuk tahun ni memang lebih dia fokus, dia spesifik kepada berbanding dengan musim panas, dia lebih sejuk. But if I use winter, I drop the winter is colder than summer means any winter in any year, mana-mana winter pada mana-mana tahun pun, it's always colder than summer. Dia memang sentiasa lebih sejuk daripada musim panas tu. Okay, this is not specific. This is we call it umum比较就是很普通的一个跟你讲ini yang lebih umum. The common one, winter. If we are using common sense, we always know that winter is colder than summer. Alright, shall we read together? The winter is colder than the summer. Winter is colder than summer. Alright, now on the third one, we have the boy named Bill and the boy named Jim. The adjective here given is fat. So fat, turn out the comparative form, it will be fatter. Double T, yeah? This one is wrong. It's supposed to be then, yeah? So we have Bill here, we have Jim here. So which one is fatter? Obviously is Bill, because Jim is a bit slimmer, yeah? Bill is fatter than Jim. You see Bill? We don't use the in front of the name. Alright, so Bill is, because only one person, fatter, double T, than Jim. Alright, the last question. Yeah, this is the pink hat and this is the blue hat. The adjective given is small. This is very easy. So this is specific. If we say the pink hat, 就是这个粉红色的帽子 topi yang berwarna merah jambu. So this is specific. So we use the word sorry guys, we use the word the, yeah, to make it specific. So it will be the pink hat is smaller than the blue hat. Lebih kecil, 比较小. I repeat again, the pink hat is smaller than the blue hat. Is it alright? It's quite very easy, the exercises, yeah? Alright, now we move on to last one. Also, 4 question over here. We have expensive, mahal, 很贵. Modern, 新潮的 lebih modern. Comfortable, selesa, 舒服舒适 Intelligent, 有智慧 pandai, 比较 pandai, Now we go to first question. The car is more expensive than the bike. Okay, it means this car. Nowadays, it's very popular. The new spot over here, we have a lot of people get started to cycling. Yes, they go and cycle. Maybe some of the bike is quite expensive, but for this case, it mentioned this car specifically. We are talking about the car over here, the yellow car over here is more expensive, lebih mahal. Then we put then the bike, this bike. Alright, so shall we read together? The car is more expensive than the bike. Yeah, you need to read, although it is an example for you. Now we move on to the second one. You still remember what is this that we learned before in year 2? Yes, this is trainers. Yeah, trainers. Trainers, and then this is the normal shoes, or you can say the leather shoes. So the trainers are more modern, lebih modern, 比较新潮. Then we put then the shoes. So it means these trainers is actually more modern than the shoes. Shall we read together? The trainers are more modern than the shoes. Very good. Now, next one. Alright, we have the sofa, yep, and the chair. Yes, which one is comfortable? If I ask you to have a rest, of course you will choose the sofa. Yep, so we say the sofa, so I mean this sofa is more comfortable than the chair. The sofa is more comfortable than the chair. Yep, now we move on to last one. What is this? Yes, this is a dolphin, and this is actually the fish, the Nemo, the fish. So if you say intelligent, okay, usually in the water park or maybe in the zoo, you will see they will train the dolphin to do the performance. Yeah, because dolphin is more intelligent. Yes, lebih bijak, lebih pandai, 比较有智慧 more intelligent than the fish. So most of the time we train the dolphin and they will do the performance. Yeah, the dolphin is more intelligent than the fish. Check your spelling for dolphin. Yeah, again, the dolphin is more intelligent than the fish. Right. Last one, you can do this together, but I make it very fast. Okay, this is, we need to complete the comparative form with the adjective. The first one, the chair is light than the sofa. So it will be, very good, this one learned before, lighter. Yes, lighter than. Second one, elephants are, yes, if we make a comparison with the horses, kuda, elephant, 大象 gajah, and horses, kuda, 马 so elephants are heavier, lebih berat, 比较重 than horses. Now next one we have Helen's dress. Helen's dress is, then you compare it to Jill's dress, so it will be, yes, very good, more expensive, more expensive. Next one, you still remember the word good? This is a special one. We have Mike here and the Paul, so which one is better? Yes, very good, better, lebih bagus, 比较好 at football. So take a look. The chair, shall we do together? Make a voice louder, class. The chair is lighter than the sofa. The chair is lighter than the sofa. Elephants are heavier than horses. Elephants are heavier than horses. Helen's dress is more expensive than Jill's dress. Helen's dress is more expensive than Jill's dress. Mike is better at football than Paul. Mike is better at football than Paul. Means the better player will be Mike. Yes, Mike lebih pandai main football, bola sepak, 足球 Mike 比较会，比较好。Now next one we have the maths here, 数学 mathematics, history is sejarah 历史 Maths is, yes, we have difficult, more difficult, more difficult. Now it's today, 今天 yesterday, 昨天 today, hari ini, yesterday, semalam. So hari ini lebih panas, 今天比较热，它是比较热，那是 hotter, double T double T. Next one, monkeys are, monkeys 呀 monyet, kera, 猴子 chickens. So that's why also we train monkey to climb the coconut tree and pluck the coconut tree, because they are more intelligent if we refer to the chickens. So we say monkeys are more intelligent than chickens. Yep, the last one, Cat and Jen over here. So we have swimming, the activity, so bad, it will be worse. Yes, worse than, lebih teruk, means cats is not, actually not so well in swimming, but Jen is better. Jen tu lebih baik, so cat is worse at swimming than Jen. Alright class, shall we read again? Make a voice louder, get ready. Maths is more difficult than history. Maths is more difficult than history. It's hotter today than it was yesterday. It's hotter today than it was yesterday. Next one, monkeys are more intelligent than chickens. Monkeys are more intelligent than chickens. Cat is worse at swimming than Jen. Cat is worse at swimming than Jen. Alright, you can rewind back. Rewind again the video. Ulang semula video, ni 再重复 and then read together with me. Make sure if you want to copy, you read while you write. Baca sambil tulis ya. Okay, success is not accident. It is hard work. Perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.